Everybody, today I will be showing you how to use a virtual zoom background. So, you have to click this arrow above the stop video button. Then, underneath your selected camera, you click choose virtual background. And from here, you can put a bunch, like for example, San Francisco. It's in the background. There are also some that are videos that play in the background. You can tell because there's a little video button. You click it, it shows a video. It comes with some too already. It may take a little bit to load on the big detail like this. I'm pretty sure once you loaded it in multiple times, it should stop taking a while. Or that's what happened with me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.